Well, here's a simple Python code, and can you find the correct output of this code? You can pause the video to think for a moment. So as you can see, we have a nested list here, and the second list we are creating a shallow copy, and then we are appending this in this list. So the correct output of this code is 1, 2, 3, and 99. Well, if you didn't understand this code, let me explain. So this is the code, and here this is the main list, and we have created a shallow copy here, and we appended 99. We got 1, 2, 3, 99. Well, the reason why it happened is that only the outer list get copied, and this inner list is the same as this, or you can say the original copy. So when we try to append 99 in the B list, the outer list was same, but in the inner list we got 1, 2, 3, and 99 as it was referencing to A. That's why when we printed A, we also saw 99 here as well.